Hello, good morning. Again, I am in front of you. All are okay? Yes. What all the things is happening in our surroundings, we want to become happy. Yes. Because God is always with us. Don't worry. God is always with us. So if we have any problems, we should pray to God. Oh my God, you save me and my family and my neighbors, my relatives and all other people. Okay. Nowadays in our prayer, we should include all the people also. Because many of the people are suffering many problems. Especially we know now it's a period of coronavirus. COVID-19 affected many areas. So we should consider others also. What we are thinking, oh, I am safe, so I don't worry. You should not think like that. Okay, you should pray for others also, those who are suffering many problems. Okay, that is humanity. We should consider others also. Okay, thank you. Then last day we studied many things. Let us come back to our topic. What we studied, different landforms of the earth, physical features of the earth. What are the things we studied? Yes, mountains, plateaus, plains. Very good. You are remembering mountains, plateaus and plains. Okay, today we are going to study another one landform, that is valleys. Yes, very beautiful landform, valleys. We know valleys are lowland. Valleys are lowland. Between hills and mountains. Hills and mountains. Valleys are lowland between hills and mountains. Oh, my dear children, many rivers are flowing through these valleys. Yes, rivers are flowing through these valleys. Because of these rivers, river flow, many sediments are there. Fine soil, silt and sand. When the rivers are originating from the mountain, it's carrying fine soil, silt and sand. Okay, it's very fertile. Yes, that is why this soil is very good for cultivation. We studied last year early people. They were lived in the forest. They are collecting fruits, leaves and other things they are eating. Slowly they started to cultivate crops. Where they started to cultivate crops? In this river valley. What is the reason? The reason is their soil is very fertile soil. Yes, that is very good for cultivating crops. Okay, that is why they started their settlements there in the river valleys. Their water also available and the soil is very good for cultivation. Okay, that's only about valleys. Valleys are lowland between hills and mountains and rivers are flowing through them and these rivers are carrying silt and sand. That means very fertile soil that is good for cultivation. That is why the early people started their cultivating crops for their life in this river valley. Okay, that's only about valleys. Okay, next one, delta. Next, another one landform is deltas. That also very simple one. Deltas. How these deltas formed, you know? When the rivers are flowing, I told you from this mountain the rivers are originating. When the rivers are flowing, it's carrying silt and sand, fine soil. that is deposited in the river mouth. River mouth means the place where river joins an ocean and lakes and other river. That is river mouth. And there the rivers are flowing, it's carrying fine soil, and it's join in another river or ocean, etc. Here it is river mouth, and here this fine soil deposited and forming a land form. Okay, that is called delta. That is called delta. Okay, it is called delta. Okay, the second one, deltas. Okay, the second one is deltas. All the rivers are carrying all the materials. Okay, rivers are carrying many materials. We told fine soil and all. All these materials are called sediments. Sediments, especially fine soil, silt and sand. These sediments got deposited in the river mouth. River mouth means the river joined in an ocean and other rivers. In this river mouth, these sediments are deposited and forming a landform. That is called deltas. That is called delta. The delta formed by Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers is the largest delta in the world. This only today we studied valleys and deltas. These are the two landforms. Okay, you should read the textbook and make a short note about delta and valleys. Okay, bye bye. See you.